Hello, today we talk about navigating the patent system, the importance of specialized legal expertise. Securing patents for your technology presents unique challenges that require specialized knowledge and experience. This process demands a thorough understanding of both the technical intricacies of your technology and the ever-evolving landscape of patent eligibility requirements. Next, we talk about the role of an experienced patent attorney. Partnering with a patent attorney who specializes in your technology can significantly enhance your chances of success in the patent application process. Experts at our firm offer several key advantages. First of all, strategic application structuring. Patents attorney like us who specialize in your technology can craft your application to effectively meet legal requirements and maximize the protection of your intellectual property while minimizing the risk of rejections or potential arguments raised in future litigation against infringement or validity issues. Second, you need to hire the lawyers with the right technical expertise. Not all patent lawyers possess the depth of technical knowledge required to navigate the complexities of innovations in your space. Specialized patent attorneys bring unique combination of legal acumen and technological understanding to the table, and that will make the process smoother and easier for your company. Next, we discuss selecting the right legal partner. When choosing a legal partner for your patent needs, consider the following factors. First is industry knowledge. Look for firms that demonstrate a deep understanding of your technology space, whether they've done this before, and look at their applications across various industries. The reason you want a breadth of industry knowledge is that a good lawyer can take a look at your specific innovation in your industry and then perhaps expand that into other industry uses, and in that way help you expand the scope of your invention. You want transparent pricing. Look for firms that give you fixed fee billing that would avoid surprises for you, number one, and number two, that would encourage efficiency in doing the work. Number three is considered boutique specialized firms. When you go to a large law firm, they typically have large clients, and their best resources are going to be devoted to the large clients, and your application will be left to the junior attorneys. You don't want to be paying for their learning curve. Protecting your innovation begins with a strategic approach to intellectual property. Firm offers free initial consultations or IP strategy calls to help you understand the patenting process and develop a plan to safeguard your intellectual property. By partnering with an experienced law firm such as PatentPC, you can navigate the complex landscape of patents with confidence, ensuring that your innovative ideas receive the protection they deserve and ensuring that your accounting department does not get surprises. We look forward to helping you here at PatentPC.